Familiarize yourself with the 2019 Ford F-150. With just over 30,000 miles on the odometer, this truck is a leading example of refined versatility in the full-size pickup segment. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, a trailer hitch, and more. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Come down to our dealership, where you can browse our entire inventory in person.